My bitch in the back of the bank. Yeah. That can't cost a couple of stacks. We fucking no strings attached. Procrast, relax. We cover up.
Buddha bang, what's up guys? It's your boy Money. And we back again with another banger video, you feel me? Today we have an interesting video, you know. We got a beast right here, my boy shit right here, and we're gonna install the Drls right now. So let's see how that shit goes for real. Let's see how that shit goes. We got a car jacked up right now. So we're gonna have to take out the bumper, a whole bunch of shit to do it.
After you put the woods, it's not better, right? Huh? After you put the woods?
Shit crazy. But this is everything right here. Everything came in the box.
Huh? What color?
You can change the color through the app.
Like yours? Yeah. But you bought it from different old website? Same shit. I told him. Told him what happened to yours, right? Yeah. And you still want to do it?
We bought them same time.
Oh, you guys bought it at the same time?
Yeah.
You might got lucky. Yours probably work better.
Hopefully.
But now you got experts. Now you do it.
Yeah.
It's going to be faster.
Shit crazy, bro. But yeah, I'm about to get to work right now. And then I'm gonna see. But yeah, this what's going on right now. I got the parts, the shits right here. We got the car jacked up. And my boy, when he did his, he took off the wheel to do it. Me, I'm going the bumper out. Hopefully that shit go be easier. So let's see. And then I got a next problem, bro. If y'all can like hook me up or let me know what's the word, that would be good. But this tire been leaking, right? I'll pump it up this morning. By tonight, that shit low again. You feel me? I changed the tire and that shit's still losing air right now. So I'm thinking it got to be the rim cracked or something. Cause that shit made no sense, bro. It's basically a new tire, gang. So I'm thinking to either upgrade the rims right away or see if I can get the rim fixed. But I ain't 100% sure what I want to do yet. I ain't gonna lie to you. Feel me? Cause I know to fix it probably gonna cost me like $200. So I don't know what that is. What you thinking for to fix it?
Huh?
What you thinking for to fix the rim?
Yeah, might as well.
Alright, chat. So this is where we at now. We got all the screws out. Now it's just a. It's just to pull off the bumper low key. Yeah, so the bottom part of this will.
Trying to get rich on the YouTube with the camera or something? He's a YouTuber. Oh, yeah.
You gotta try to make the money from everywhere. So just one clip right now. Alright, chat, so that's the bumper. This is what the shit looking like right now. I ain't gonna hold you, gang. It wasn't hard to come off, but it wasn't like easy peasy at the same time. I mean, shit was calm. Shit was calm, to be honest. I gotta take a quick flick for this shit. Everybody gonna be like, oh, what happened? What happened? What happened, Papi? Papi, what happened to the BMW? And I'm gonna be like, alright, mommy. Calm down, mommy. It's just a headlight, mommy. We got the 2 headlights right there. We about to really start working for real now. Shit, nah, drop me that.
They light and cheap. I make you do it. Let me go for some other plastic frames.
Chat the man free for broken thing, brother.
Oh, no, the kid is the bad.
I don't care, man. I think broke free. What? I really broke. What the? We need to tell you the access for replace. I release that. I release that, chat. Worry about that. Because the plastic one not do it. No justice needed. Oh shit, one loose wire there right there, side.
See anything? After this, that's all up.
Nah, are you fucking killing me, bro?
Yeah, that's right now. What do you want to do?
I got it inside there.
With the loose wire?
Yeah.
That now go work. Yeah, we saw that.
No, that's not the machine.
At least we can have that and still never tune, no?
Mm-hmm. Boy. Oh shit, this still a record. But bro, meds, them are 4 different sizes something. So which are the one here? The one here? And alright, chat. Me there, so we call him there, so stress. Come in, boy. Him over there, stress. Out himself unnecessarily.
Don't stress, YouTube is watching. YouTube is watching. Which side is?
Think on the side.
If you're stressed, the YouTubers gonna watch it, so nah, I'm not gonna follow that man. He's stressed. What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
What happened? Alright, chat. So we put in the headlight back in right now. We took out the modules and then we put those in. All that. We clipping in the headlight right now. Oh, let me get those stuff. We got the. We go see if we have a solder gun to solder back that one, but if not, we chilling still. It ain't the end of the day. But I'm definitely gonna either get a refund or some. I think if we go up on top. This side. Chat, let me put this shit down and help.
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah, but more get more get the way over here. Probably have to pull up back there, like. More put the wire up through here, so.
Ah, Malcolm.
Hey, yo, Q, what you wanna do? Stacks. That's really me. Yeah. You can chase the ass and I'ma chase my paper. She ain't tryna help me get a meal, then she can't be my bae. I grab the chop out the closet, no it is not gay. Beat a nigga head with a chop like I'm Dr. Dre. Yeah. Don't play with me. I ain't never by myself, I keep the K with me. A couple words can get you going, so watch what you say to me. Got 26 planes, if I fuck up A, then I still got to Z. And now I'm past C. Chops in the back seat, so slow the car down. A lot of hate be in the air, so I can't let my guard down. He acting like he got money just cause the hoes round.
Alright chat, so we can open up our body shop now. Because we just fixed the alignment and the adjustment and the balancing of the headlight. So now we're gonna connect up the wire. And see what's going on. So where disconnect to?
One more to atrás.
I joke man chat. Right, sir? She see I'm here slides on the very slides. I'm both here. Go tap. But I'm a married man, you know. I cannot indulge in certain activities. Because woman is a man beater.
I believe that, yeah. I believe that.
She run her mouth. She love her again.
Yeah, I rest me on top, you know.
You might need to catch up that time all the wire for me.
What, the light?
The wire. No, my time.
You know what you do?
Yeah, but my pan is for eat up. Alright, see that. Alright, hold on. I need it for hold the wire though.
Me?
So catch up this. Alright. Put this on there. Take it.
You want to catch on the outside, right? You can't go no more.
I think you can't do no more.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, so hold the wire so. I promise I won't burn it. I won't burn your hand. I do this all the time. I have 20 years of experience. Shout out Mr. Myers. Batty boy Myers.
That mean probably I'll never do that for buy a mix on side. The side 8. Probably a that one.
Chat, we about to put on a bumper.
Car have a look clean, I know next time stock say this when you put on this, make sure you tuck it under so you don't scrape it with the clip. Focus at it. And over here says that's screw hold it up.
Yeah. Go on up this side, eh? Like so. me, as long as the nigga part go in, we're good. Carry down nigga. Right, going this way. Oh, boy, the hard part done. See hard part that done. So rest now. I have to clip in something right here, so.
Yeah, but help me line up here, so. Let me push in this.
Alright, chat. We did it. We did it. It is my lighting system need to be checked.
Lights?
Yeah, hold on. It said something about it a while ago. Change the color and see.
I like the blue.
Yeah, that one, them on that side, but I would change back to white. Oh,
This is how you can change it on the phone.
yeah.
But when you put it that color, you can't even tell the difference. They all look the same.
We finally did it, bro.
You know, so you're connected to mine.
Really? Oh shit. Finally did that shit, man. Alright, so that's a successful day. Yeah, chat, so this is the final product and we're looking good, chat. My boy shit synced to mine too for some reason, but yeah. This is the final product. I ain't gonna lie, I'm loving it. Yeah, blue eyes on a beast. Yeah, that's it. I'm about to start heading home now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm dead ass tired. So I'm gonna probably pick up the camera when I get home. Tired as shit. I think that's a jack. I ain't 100% sure, but that bitch moved though, gang. We just ran it a while ago. He pulled on me, I ain't gonna lie. He pulled on me, I ain't get to like sit off the race or nothing, but that shit tough, dog. That shit tough.
Bye, have a great time.